Moving crypto between exchanges like Binance and Bitget is a fundamental skill every trader needs to master. And today I'm going to show you the exact steps to do it securely. First, log into your Bitget account. Your first step is to find your unique deposit address for the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, USDT. Navigate to your asset page, click Deposit, and select the coin. This is the most critical part. You must select the correct network. If you choose the wrong network, your funds could be lost permanently. Now open a new tab and log into your Binance account. Go to your wallet, click Fiat and Spot, and then select Withdraw. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Carefully copy your deposit address from Bitget and paste it into the recipient address field on Binance. Double-check that the network you selected on Bitget, for example TRC20, is exactly the same network you are selecting on Binance. Before sending the full amount, I highly recommend doing a small test transaction. Enter a minimal amount, review all the details one last time, and then click Submit. You will likely need to complete two-factor authentication to confirm. After confirming, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Depending on network congestion, it can take from a few seconds to an hour for the funds to appear in your Bitget wallet. Once you see the test transaction is successful in your Bitget wallet history, you can confidently transfer the rest of your funds. You've now mastered a secure cross-exchange transfer.